put one squirt on, not one squirt. So yeah, that's too light. This looks so good. I know y'all probably like, girl, you look like a clown. Hey y'all, my name is Lashan and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing some PR from IT Cosmetics. I am not sure what's in this PR package, honey. They reached out back in March to put me on PR, and I thought they were only sending me one thing. So they sent me some sunscreen in like March, April, and I thought it was a one-time thing, but clearly I'm that girl. They reached out, well, they didn't reach out. They just kind of sent this, and I was like, okay, thank you. I mean, I don't know what's in here. I think it is their CC cream. Pause to read if you want. But I haven't opened it yet. But I just wanted to say thank you to IT Cosmetics for sending this PR. This video is not sponsored. They did not tell me to make this video, but I wanted to make it anyway. All right, y'all. So I really want to unbox these products. I want to test them out, make sure I like them. Hopefully I like them. I guess I can get started with unboxing. Like I said, I don't know what they sent me. I guess I can grab this one first. This is the IT Cosmetics Glow with Confidence Sun Blush. It's in the shade Sun Glaze 50. This is what it looks like. And this is like the back. Of course, I'm gonna swatch it and show the color. We're gonna get into it. And then, what is this? Oh, they sent the brush. This is the IT Cosmetics brush. I don't know which brush it is. It looks like it's double-sided. It's the Heavy Luxe Complexion Perfection number 7. You can, it says all over right here and then conceal on this end. So I'm gonna unbox this so y'all can actually see this end of it, and then y'all can also see the concealed end of it. But okay, IT Cosmetics sending me a brush, and then it looks like they sent me some CC cream. Wait, okay, hold up. This is the color correcting full coverage CC cream. Anti-aging hydrating serum, broad SPF 50. Are these the same thing, like the same shade? Oh, they're not. Okay, so the shades are right here. They sent me neutral, rich, and rich. Let's get into it. I want to swatch these CC creams. It looks so good. This is probably my shade. Wait, this might be a little dark. Of course, I gotta swatch it. I'm gonna swatch both. This one is the neutral rich, and then this one is the rich. So the rich is a lot lighter. Let me see if it has a number so y'all can see. Well, the shades don't have different numbers. It just has a name. So yeah, neutral, rich, and rich. I cannot wait to swatch both. This one is probably too light. This one is probably just right, especially since I got my little summer tan. So let's get into these CC creams. All right, y'all, so let's get into this brush. I'm gonna use the actual brush that they sent me to like swatch the concealers and the blush. I'm so excited. Again, shout out to IT Cosmetics. Like, not me being a PR girly. Okay, like when they reached out the first time, I literally thought it was like a one-time thing. They wanted to send their sunscreens. I didn't think that they were going to be sending me stuff like consistently, and maybe they won't be doing it consistently. Maybe this is the only time they want to hook me up. But if I can get this, okay, so this is what the brush is looking like. It's like really fluffy, really soft. I probably should wash it first, huh? Should I wash it? It's gonna take a minute to dry. And then this is the conceal end. So we're gonna do some, oh, so I might swatch this, not swatch it. I might use this all over and then use this as like a concealer. So let me try the products out. I don't know which one to do. I think we should do rich first. This is rich, like I said. This is a 1 fluid ounce bottle. And then there is a kind of, what is it, like a nozzle. Ooh, get this off my skin. Of course you gotta, so yeah, that's too light. I don't want to use this to, oh, this is foundation. I'm thinking this is skin tint. Baby, this is foundation. Okay, clearly it's too light. We're gonna go with neutral next. That's why I didn't want to use this brush. Ooh, it kind of smells, it smells like lotion. But this is why I didn't want to use the brush, because now the product gonna transfer over when I do this one, and this one is the neutral. I think neutral is gonna be my shade. Yeah, neutral, my girl. Neutral is my girl. So this is what they're both looking like next to each other. Clearly, the neutral rich is more of a fit for me. This looks so good. I thought this was gonna be skin tint. I didn't know CC cream was foundation. I need to like get with the program. Like, maybe I'm not that girl. Maybe I don't know much about makeup. Like, look at this, y'all. Can y'all see it? This neutral rich looks so good, and this would look good too if it was my shade. So I'm gonna put this, the neutral rich, all over my face as a foundation, and then I'm gonna put rich under my eye as a concealer, and we're gonna blend it out with this end, and then we also gonna try to blush. All right, y'all, I'm back. So I went ahead and wiped my face off, and then I also wiped the brush off a little bit so that the lighter concealer, not concealer, why do I keep saying concealer? It's foundation. I wiped it off so that the lighter shade of the foundation can kind of get off the brush a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with neutral. I'm so excited, honey. I done got me a new foundation. I'm gonna put one pump on this cheek just to see how far it transfers. That is one full pump, and then we're gonna see. I honestly, this is like the thickest foundation I own, but I honestly think it's gonna go a really long way. Look at how it's applying. Oh wow, this is literally the perfect shade for me. And like I said, I do have a slight tan. I can go ahead and do the rest of my face with this one pump, but I do have a slight tan, so y'all, this is like full coverage. Let me look at the details. Is this like matte, or this is like, okay, so it does say full coverage, so duh, that's why it looks so full coverage. But I do have a slight tan, so my skin is a bit darker than what it normally is, and I don't typically wear brushes, so if y'all see me applying this makeup wrong using this brush, girl, it ain't that deep. It ain't that deep. Look at how full coverage it is though. But yeah, this is a little bit darker than what I usually look like, so I'm glad that they sent over a darker shade, because I probably would have had to mix the two, and I'll probably have to do that in the winter when I lighten back up, which I don't mind. This is like full coverage. Like, y'all saw that one pump, it goes a long way too. Okay, I'm gonna put a half a pump over here because I done already used a little bit from the last pump, so I'm gonna put a little bit. But It Cosmetics might be that girl. And again, I'm filming on my iPhone camera. I cannot see myself, so I'm really hoping that y'all can see my makeup. Let me put my mirror right here so y'all can see the whole face. This is like, oh wow. You know how the girls be like, oh wow, this is good. Do I sound like that right now? Okay, let me finish blending this out. Okay, it does look a little bit dark in some areas. Like I said, this matches now because of my tan, but it looks a little dark in some areas. And it is not a matte foundation. If you are an oily girl, I'm not sure if this gonna be for you. Luckily, I am a combination girl, but this is more so like, I don't want to say it's dewy. Maybe it's like a satin finish. But let me finish blending this out. I'm gonna, blend it where it needs to be. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna use this as a concealer, and then we're gonna set our face, and then we're gonna use the blush. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and blended everything out on my face. It does look a little dark now that it's like settling. And as y'all saw, those two pumps, so I did a full pump on this side and then a half a pump on this side. Those, like, I want to say 2 pumps, but really it was 1.5. That 1.5 pump really like covered my whole face. And like, you can't see my mole that's on my nose. You can barely see my nose that's on my forehead. Like, this is like full coverage. So if you don't like a full coverage, if you want something that's like my skin but better, this might not be for you. But honey, I like this. This is cute. It is very like satin sheer finish. And then I'm gonna go in with some concealer. So I'm not gonna do a full pump since we saw that one pump of rich, what is it, neutral rich, that did the whole cheek. So we're gonna do low-key less than a half if I can. Just a little bit of concealer. Okay, is that enough? Okay, and we're gonna use this end of the brush. What was this brush called again? This is the Heavenly Luxe Complex Perfection number 7 brush, and this says all over, and this says concealer. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but that's what it's giving. And then we're gonna blend out this concealer. We're gonna use the rich shade as a concealer. I'm kind of nervous because I don't think I put enough, but knowing me, I go in with some more. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some more. It's like really thick. It probably shouldn't be used as a concealer. I'm gonna do a little bit. Ooh. I did not mean to do that much. I wanted to put some over here. Should I be like dragging it down? See, I don't use brushes when I do my makeup. I'm a beauty blender type of girl. And I did not clean my beauty blenders before this video because, again, I didn't know what they were sending me. But I think I want to go clean my beauty blender so that I can like really blend this concealer, because I do have other things to do today. So I really need this concealer to look good. And I low-key could have used this as the actual shade. No, it's a little too light. Let me figure out how I can blend this out. It's like really thick, so I wouldn't say use this as a concealer, and it doesn't say use it as a concealer, but of course I just wanted to try it since it is a lighter shade. I wanted to try it under my eye. But shout out to It Cosmetics. All right, y'all, I went ahead and set my entire face. I used the Rich CC Cream as a concealer, and then I blended it out with my beauty blender because I was getting a little nervous with the brush. Like I said, I am not a brush type of girl. I'm a beauty blender girl. So I set my entire face. I darkened my brows just a little bit, but I didn't conceal. But I just wanted to darken it a little bit. And that's really it. What's it giving? Now we're gonna go with the It Cosmetics Glow with Confidence Sun Blush in the shade Sunglaze 50. I'm a little nervous. What the fuck? It's a cream blush, but I'm nervous. I am nervous. Do y'all see it? I have to get some of that out. This is what it's giving. And I'm gonna put it on my hand before I put it on my face. And this is how it's, oh. I'm scared to try this. This is a little bit more red than I like anticipated. Maybe, oh, I'm nervous. I done already set my face. I thought it was powder blush. I probably should have went in with this before I set my freaking face. I'm gonna use my fingers to just put it down. Oh, y'all. Oh, I don't even see it. I'm gonna go in with some of this stuff I done swatched. I'm so dramatic. I am so dramatic. Do y'all supposed to do this with y'all hand? Oh, okay. See, had I known it was a cream blush, I would have used this before I set my face, and I would have used a lot more because it's easy to like hide your blush under your setting powder. If you put too much, you can kind of hide it. Do y'all see it? I could have used a lot more, but I'm scared. I done already set my face. And I don't feel like I blended it right. I know y'all probably like, girl, you look like a clown. Can y'all even see it? I can't even see myself. Can y'all see it? I don't want to put any more. I think this is all I'm putting. This side has a lot more than this side, so let me kind of go in. This is like pigmented though. I might go on It Cosmetics and get me a different shade because I like the consistency of it. I love this consistency. I've never been a blush girl. I think I had one powdered blush in my life and I held on to it for dear life. and I did not buy another one once I was done using all of it. I've never had a cream blush. I know all of the girls are like going crazy with blushes right now. What's it giving? I actually like it. I low-key want to go back in with my is there like a tool I can use to apply this though? I don't want to use my foundation brush because it's dirty, but I think the next time that I use this cream blush, I'll probably go in with this brush. But I basically used all of what I swatched. I like it. I like it. I want to put more, but I don't want to go overboard and mess up my makeup. But I like it. What's it giving, y'all? All right, y'all. So now it's time to go in with a matte finish spray. I'm a little nervous. Oof, I'm a little nervous. I feel like once I put this on, I can't change nothing. And I forgot to put on highlight. Should I put on highlight now or after the... I know y'all probably like, girl, you did not need that many sprays. I need to go get my lashes done. Do not talk about my lashes. I'm gonna go get them done. And then I need to do these lips. See, if they would have sent me some lipsticks, oh, I would have gave y'all the swatch of the century. Okay, I don't even know where the camera at because my eyes closed, but I'm about to do my lips and then I can show y'all the finishing look. All right, y'all, I went ahead and put some highlight on my face. Thank you so much to It Cosmetics for sending me these goodies. I will have the link to all of the products below, but I just wanted to kind of give y'all like a different angle of what the makeup is giving because I really like the way it turned out. I might be a cream blush girly now, like, I don't know, I might be a cream blush girly, but shout out to them. A new foundation, well, 2 new foundations, a brush, as well as some cream concealer. I am definitely thankful. So thank you so much to It Cosmetics.